Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Another episode about photography, but this time I will be styling the salad, do step by step, but I want talk little about how much time take each project from the beginning to the end, like when you start to work with clients, when you send the last photo after editing, approve the clients the photo, how much you spend on this project. Let's go. First things what we do, we find the clients want to work with you, have product and want to use this product with the food. Of course this take time, maybe 1-2 weeks before we have all details information about photo shoot. It's mean you ask where will be shoot, in your home or you must travel, who prepare the food, you are photographer styling, you do everything in your house, or somebody, you hire somebody who cook. If you do everything, it's step by step take more time. It's like you take the list with clients product what he wanted to use for him food, like say he have honey and he want to do salad, maybe soup with this, maybe some breakfast things or something like that. It's few ideas for photo. Another things, you prepare mood board. The photo is bright, dark, is like natural lights, artificial lights. You use the bright maybe background or modern or rustical, different type. Another things what you must to discuss with your clients, how many photo, where he want use the photo, everything. When you have these all details, I do the list what I must to buy the ingredients, prepare the food, what is the is salad, like today we do salad. I do the few 2-3 idea about salad. Now is season for pumpkin. I do salad pumpkin, use the product, I will photography honey, that is I do special dressing for this salad with honey. If I have the list the ingredients, next step is I go shopping. Sometimes I spend 1 hour to looking for all ingredients because it's not in one shop. I must to go another shops. Sometimes take me 3 hours buy all product for prepare the dish. Better is prepare 1 day before you shoot. What you morning you can straight away start to work styling your food and photography. Okay, that is everything. Now it's time for photo shoot. Choose your props for photography, styling the food and shoot. That is all things what's happened before we start to photography. It's take process minimum 2 days. Believe me, 2-3 days you spend on these things. Talk with clients is 1-2 weeks before you have product. Everything can be like that. But shopping, prepare the food and mood board, everything take time and is minimum like 3 days. Okay, we have everything done. Now we start talk about props, background and things what I choose for food photography and my food, of course. I will be do 2 salad today, use pumpkin, and I do 2 different version of pumpkin. One is like bake little on pan make, and one is like I do like on pan with barbecue. That is my 2 ideas. Show different this pumpkin, 2 different shoot, 2 different styling, 2 different photography. Each that pumpkin have different dressing. What I make here, one dressing, another dressing, completely different color. Now I show you the props what you can choose for photography. I want something what will be bright things, and we will be work with natural lights. That's I use only artificial light for make the video. Later when I will be photography, I will be switch off these lights, but these lights is only from these windows, and this is one light what we will use. I will use only one background, that's bright background. Company fixed backdrop. Company is from Poland. You can find different type. Is vinyl background. You can find their vinyl background and handmade background. Vinyl background, I really love vinyl background and recommend this company. I have few backgrounds. Work on these backgrounds is easy to set up, easy to clean, use, and no some complication. The link about company find below. I prepare few props what you can use. I will be use only probably 2-3 and that's it, nothing more. We can show a salad in that bowls, not too big. Remember about this, show the nice the salad. Another, we can choose different plat, normal plat for photography. I have here with pattern, different pattern is nice, maybe two, and this is different pattern on the photo will be looks really, really nice. If I do flat plate photography, this pattern plat give me extra touching for the photos, looks nice. That's it. Or we can use simple one big plat, make salad, few things around, and that's it. And can be photo easy and other things, because I will photography bright and nice feelings this, but we can change the mood on photo. Choice like autumn now is a green color, orange color with the leaves with something orange on the photo. Like I have here like pumpkin. I get this pumpkin special. That's what I want to show on photo. That's pumpkin this side, or and this is the back. But you can use something orange with this, or choice the props like wood plats, wood plats, or use the same extra when you do flat lay photography. Extra you can use the desk. What will be make like level. The on photo is like plat can be up, bottom will be your balls with something, or maybe exactly with the dressing or something. That is good have like extra desk to show on photos, and is you can different desk use different plat. Another things, you can use the glass for photography, put in the back extra to make this more interesting, something happen history in the back. I have three different glass, like white, normal, red, and brown. That is nice. Have different shape, different texture on the always extra texture. Give nice touching for your photo. Another things what you will be need for photography is the balls, small balls, completely different. Maybe shape, color, what will be matched. This is for brown, nice for this, but if you like dark, I think these balls, the small is better on photo, looks better, and everything what you photography on photo looks bigger than is normal. That's the balls is important. Maybe some jar for put here the dressing, and maybe drop for using the human touching and show like dressing go for the salad, and nice to do that photo will be amazing. Another things, you can have like pepper and salt here, put in the bags a little for decoration. And last things is kettlers. Kettlers, you need some different. I have like black, white. I chose today this with the gold and black. I will see what I use. But the kettlers is important things. It's not easy to work with them, but it's important. Don't forget about kettlers. And the last things what I focus before I photography, I start to styling everything and photography is my camera. I use today lens 35 millimeters Sigma 1.4, but I will be work probably on f 3.5 for 4.5, because I want to show little more details around what's happened the table. No focus only on food, but on more things. Is that we work with natural light, and that's it. This will be the things. I'm sorry, I forget. I use the tether cable, what is connection for my laptop, and I straight away when I photography, I see how looks the photo. Is sharp, is good, and I can shoot another. I can make another photo, and that's I have control on my shoot. And when I work for clients, I try always use tether cable, what is save my time. And if I know the photo is good, I can shoot another things. This is everything before we really start to work on photography. Like you see, it takes so much time before we start. But let's go now, set up everything, and work for this styling. And I show you few tips how styling the salad. Let's go. This is all ingredients what I chose for prepare this shoot. I will be salad. I have some here more nuts, berry, or how you call different. I have this. I have like cheese, white, and feta, And it's my pumpkin. I have something leaves here for decoration, and maybe I will be have the glass in the back, and decoration in my decoration is pumpkin. Here I have the honey, what I will use for dressing. Here is dressing done. I don't know, I show here or here, I will see later. But first things, when you buy ingredients, choose the best ingredients for you when you for photography. Another things, the salad, before you shoot, put the salad for cold water for half hour or 1 hour. Will be nice texture, will be not will be fresh, more fresh looks on your photo. Another things, step by step styling, and start prepare your dish. First, I have something salad here. I put little because I chose that's one only plate, and I want to show on this plate. And this salad what with dressing, because I want show little dressing on the salad. I don't want show like it's dry. That's I think is best show already. Of course, my plate will be little dirty, will be clean later before we photography everything. Another things, we put this salad step by step little. Now I will be put my pumpkin what I have like different direction. I have only 5 pieces. I think 5 pieces is perfect. Remember, when you're styling, you should show something. You use the number like 1, 3, 5 is the best. This is my salad. Now we finish with dressing. I have more these things. I have here. We wanted like, I tried to do like S maybe letter. Another we can give the cheese little. Like you see, it's take time. It's not like a 2-minute job. You must think about how you put your food on plate. How will be show. Maybe here little bigger. Not only that small piece. Now we put the nuts. Maybe I have not enough. I will see. I don't want to domination the nuts too much. I won't show the honey like the hero here for dressing. That is my idea. Few things. I set up the salad. I have some pumpkin. Maybe I pumpkin move here this side. More make and maybe the salad this side. I will see. This is not end yet. But one thing what I know, I will be here to take like honey from this, put here and melt it before I drop for salad, everything. That is my idea. But what I want to say, my t-shirt is not good. The color must match with this. I must change my t-shirt. The color, put something what is match with these things. And I will be do 2-3 shoot and record everything on tether cable, what I straight away see on camera like looks. And of course, this side is little dark. We put whiteboard for photography and take few shoot. Like you see, it is a very long process to make a photo for your clients like that. 1 or 2, 3 photo with the salad. First, you discuss with clients about all project, how looks, which props, background, everything. Later you go shopping. Next thing you prepare the dish. Next thing you prepare your background, your props for photography, everything. And styling the food takes shoot, but sometimes you spend 1-2 hours only for photography, catching the best moment, the best photo, like for your potential clients. For this take long time. This is not only 1-2 hours job. This is 2-3 days for one that's day shoot for few photos. And really, I wanted to do this video because I have like experience with the clients who call last week and say we need some photography, food photographer for styling, prepare the dishes, make food photos, everything step by step. And this is only 3 hours. You shouldn't charge so much because it's 3 hours and nothing. This is not 3 hours. Where I am now, how I work, how looks my photo, take me 7 years to learn photography, to understand everything what is including in photography. This is not 3 hours. Really love my job. I have passion for photography. This is not for money. I do this because I love this. I start from passion, and the passion is 7 years. And I am happy how I looks now, where I am. But remember, when you have clients and somebody don't respect you, the best is don't work with that person. Give up. You find good person who will be work with you, will be respect your job, will be understand why you charge so much, will be understand how looks the whole process to do this, and will be want to pay and work again with you. But please leave me comment how you have situation with the clients. Maybe you have opposite, always good clients you find. Maybe different. I am interested in your story because I have many that story about the clients, but I always think take from this plus. I don't must to work with the clients, but I know how to deal with another that's clients, and maybe another clients will be understand me why I charge so much. Thank you for today and see you next video.